Have you ever wondered why Google Pixel phones get hotter than Samsung and iPhones? Is it due to poor design, the Tensor chip, or something deeper? Today, I'm going to reveal the truth about why Pixel phones get hot and whether or not you should be worried. Let's take a look. 1. The main reason. Tensor chips. Let's start with the main reason, Google's Tensor processor. Unlike Snapdragon chips, Tensor is designed with one primary focus: artificial intelligence and machine learning. It sounds great, but there's a catch. Tensor chips perform constant background processing for real-time speech recognition, camera processing, live photo enhancements, on-device AI features, and smart assistant tasks. All this extra AI work generates more heat. Snapdragon and Apple A series chips are optimized for performance and efficiency, but Tensor spends more time on AI calculations, which naturally produces more heat. 2. Pixel cameras are too powerful. Pixels are famous for their cameras, but these same cameras generate a lot of heat. When recording 4K at 60 FPS, extended night photography, HDR video, and multiple portraits, the phone uses intensive image processing, especially Google's computational photography engine. This processing is done on the chip, not in the cloud, which means the chip has to work harder, and therefore, heat builds up faster. So yes, the legendary Pixel camera also has a downside. It makes the phone heat up faster than a Samsung or iPhone during extended photo sessions. 3. Software plus AI equals higher load. Pixels aren't just phones with powerful hardware, they're phones with AI. Features like Magic Eraser, Live Translate, call filtering, and real-time text generation run on device. Even when you're not actively using your phone, Pixel performs background tasks such as learning your app usage habits, optimizing battery life, adjusting performance, detecting unwanted calls, and predicting your actions. These microtasks run constantly and generate a small but continuous amount of heat. Most phones don't perform this level of AI in the background, which is why they run cooler. 4. Gaming performance isn't a priority. Google never designed Tensor phones for high-performance gaming. Therefore, in games like PUBG, COD Mobile, Free Fire, Genshin Impact, the chip tries to keep up, but since it's not optimized like Snapdragon, thermal pressure builds up much faster. Gamers often report a hot back panel, frame drops, decreased brightness, and excessive battery drain. This doesn't mean Pixel is bad, it simply means it's primarily designed for AI and the camera, with gaming as a secondary concern. 5. Charging plus usage equals rapid overheating. When you use the Pixel while it's charging, navigating, watching videos, using GPS, the phone heats up faster than a Samsung or an iPhone. Why? Because the Tensor chip is already warm due to AI tasks running in the background. Add the heat from charging to that, the temperature rises rapidly. Even wireless charging makes Pixels warmer because the heat gets trapped inside the glass back.